Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BNB from Bitmart to crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're managing your investments or just starting out, this guide will help you transfer your BNB securely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, before you begin, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified account on both Bitmart and crypto.com, with some BNB in your Bitmart wallet. Also, grab your crypto.com wallet address from the app. It's crucial to have this handy to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section on the dashboard. Step 2. Locate BNB in your asset list and click on it. Then, find and select the Withdraw option. This will open a form for you to fill out. Step 3. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees. For BNB, you'll likely need to select the BEP20 or BEP2 network to match crypto.com's requirements. Step 4. Paste your crypto.com wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check this address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including the amount, fees, and network. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll probably need to verify this through two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your crypto.com account to confirm the arrival. A quick word of advice: always prioritize security in crypto transfers. Use official apps, enable 2FA everywhere, and never rush the process. That way, you can avoid common pitfalls like incorrect addresses or unexpected fees. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Stay safe and see you in the next video.